Hey Coaster Spotters, this is Alex doing another review and tour of Storybook Park in Owen Sound, Ontario. This is about 2 hours northwest of Canada's Wonderland, if you're coming from there. Let's go inside and see everything they have to offer. And so they have goats, they have a little small petting zoo, and some different animals. Very cute little playground over here. And lots of little storybook theming. Oh, well, hello, you just want to steal the show, don't you? Hi. Look at your little, oh, you're so cute. Little baby bunnies, they're so cute. Lots of different farm animals. Here we have some chickens. We have some reindeer. I love their little environment, how it's so rocky and kind of natural looking. Just hanging out, waiting for people to come and feed them. So we've walked all of like 50 feet. Another playground. Just really super cute. Have all these little diorama things. That one's weird though. Looks like you can put your kids in jail. So that's a thing. You're in jail. Lots of dioramas. Ooh, it just lit up as we got nearby. Oh, this is super cute. I love these storybook lands from, you know, most of them were built in the 50s during the baby boomer era. Of course, you can get pictures on the Santa sleigh. Here we go. More goats. They're coming out to see us.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything for you.
We can't feed you. They say no feeding you. I'm sure you're well fed though. Okay. So it looks like you can feed the reindeer. I believe these are reindeer, right? Yes, these are reindeer. Hi guys.
I like the handhold you can put through.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's cool. Hi guys. Do we have any? I don't think we have any Canadian quarters. Sorry. Sorry. Well, Storybook Park wouldn't be complete with the 3 little pigs. Third pig, the House of Brick. There he is in there, hanging out. There's Mama and baby. There you go. Looks like we're going to be doing this in opposite order. Maybe we started doing the park in the opposite direction that we were supposed to do it. No, just the House of Brick. They just went for the strongest thing. That makes sense. Why would you build other ones? You know they're going to fail. Go some Peter Rabbit. Yeah, they're pretty simple, but they're cute. Lots of little houses for the kids to go and play in and interact with. Haunted house. Well, let's try this out. Should we try this out, Ariel?
Lock.
No, it's not. There's a lock on the door, but the lock is open. Enter here. Ooh, was not expecting this. Whoa.
I don't think the lights are on.
No, it said upon entering, things will turn on.
Where am I going?
Oh. Well, I'll be honest with you guys, I was not expecting this in a storybook park. I know you guys can't see anything, but we can barely see anything ourselves. It is dark in here. Oh God.
This is not family friendly.
Well, they did have a warning say this is probably not suitable for little kids. Oh God, she just bumped into me. Oh, what is this? Oh my God! Oh! What the heck? Oh my God! Okay, my friend Alan has been here and he told me nothing about this place other than, you know, it's small and tiny, and I'm glad he didn't because, okay, I think that's supposed to be closed.
I'm okay. We can go this way.
There, fixed it. Oh, we got a mummy man? Oh my God! What the? Where are we?
Not at Storybook.
What kind of twisted storybook land have we found ourselves in Ontario?
It's Canada.
A two-headed Dracula? What the heck? Oh my goodness. That one got you. Oh my god. Look at this.
That was cool.
Well, I gotta say, was not expecting this whatsoever at Storybook Park. That scare was practically worth the price of admission. Definitely don't bring your small kids in there. It is definitely not suitable for small kids. I feel like this is ages out everything else in the entire park, so that is very interesting. This made this worth coming. We were coming for the roller coaster credit, but this made it worth coming to, because that was so unexpected. Alright, here's 7 Dwarfs, of course. As we all know, Disney took all its inspiration from storybook characters and made them much more popular than they were even then. Red Riding Hood. Good. There's Grandma. Hello, Grandma. What big teeth you have. Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. There's Papa Bear. There's Mama Bear.
Where's Baby?
Where's Baby Bear?
She's sleeping up here.
Here's what we're here for. Python Pit Rollercoaster, Miler Kiddie Coaster type deal. These were very popular in the 90s, built a lot of little small indoor parks. This one came from Maryland, and I think I've ridden it, but I'm not sure. So that's why we're here. Here's the Crooked House. These are fun. I've seen much bigger examples, but they're fun. I love the architecture of these things. It's actually not that crooked, to be honest with you. Also, we have a Scrambler. This is the Merry Mixer type model, very similar to Knoebels. And over there we have the Strawberry Ride. Of course, we have Humpty Dumpty. Here we have yet another playground. This is fun. This one has a little boat theme to it. A bunch of old school playground equipment that you don't see very often anymore. Have a Dumbo-like ride, but with chairs, like ski lift chairs type things. That's cool. They have a small water park, which honestly I wouldn't have mind doing if we had more time. You know, like a really quick dip. Looks like you have 3 water slides here. 2 ones that twirl around, and one that's just like a little drop. There's a little splash pad over there. Let's see. We have the castle with the king, Rumpelstiltskin, spinning his golden yarn. There you go. We have a Trojan horse that you can play on and everything. We have some more kiddie rides here. We have little swinging boats and alpaca. We have some alpacas. Look at you. Look at the alpaca. Hey there, buddy. Are you friendly? Are you friendly? Oh,
I'm
hello.
I'm from Canada.
Hi. Hi there.
What is that flower? The one right in front of you.
Oh, I've seen that once before.
What is it?
There we go, alpaca. Hi. Thank you for letting me pet you. Here is the mini golf. $1, open from 10:30 to 5:30, so unfortunately we can't stay, but we actually kind of wanted to do this. Very old school, very simple. Looks like a lot of fun. Yeah, kind of want to do it, but we got to get going.
That looks cool.
So yeah, we have this thing called the
It's on top.
wrecking ball, which is like a mini frisbee.
But not.
Yeah, it's like a mini frisbee. That's cool. I've seen one of those before in Iowa. Of course, we have a frog hopper themed to a monkey. And a little boat ride.
Very nice.
Little boat ride. Little Ferris wheel. Little train. Little swing ride. Another little roundy round ride. And then finally, at the front of the park, there's a train. It's not on tracks. It's on tires. Probably goes all around the park. Looks interesting. So, yeah, that's been our trip around Storybook Park. About what I was expecting. Very cute. It's $25 to get in. For adults under 3, I believe is free. I believe kids are the same price as adults. And super cute. Was not expecting the haunted house. That was certainly out of place, but I'm glad it had it because it kind of felt like it made it worth coming to, aside from getting our roller coaster credit. So thank you so much for checking this place out with me. This has been Alex. Please hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you on the next review.